Subscribe, Merry
Pikachu, try looking behind you. Do you know how embarrassing it is to go around people saying, "Hey, isn't that Ash with the retarded Pikachu?" It's getting really annoying. Where are you going? Okay, I'm coming. Oh my God, it's a Pokemon. I wonder what it is. Who's that Pokemon?
It's obviously a Snorlax.
Huh? What the do you know about Pokemon?
I am a Pokemon.
You. It's Snorlax! It's him.
Pikachu!
Snorlax, snore.
Oh my God, I knew it was a Snorlax. I wish one of my Pokemon would weaken it so I could catch it. I said, I wish one of my Pokemon could weaken it so I can catch it. I wish one of my Pokemon would weaken it so I can catch it.
Pikachu!
Oh, you two are such assholes. I'll just use a different Pokemon. Go! Charmander!
Snore.
Wow, this has never happened before.
Wow, how embarrassing.
Wait, what's that sound? Charmander! Char!
Damn.
Pikachu!
Who the do you think you are rolling up in this little battle with a car? You're a Pokemon. You're not even supposed to drive cars. You're so stupid. Get over there and battle for me like the way you're supposed to.
Charmander!
Okay, Charmander, let's do this.
Snorlax.
Use Fire Blast. Damn, Snorlax, return, Charmander. Another Pokemon. Go, Bulbasaur! Bulbasaur.
Snorlax, snore.
Okay, Bulbasaur, use Poison Powder. Bulbasaur.
Snorlax. Snorlax.
It doesn't affect him, he doesn't have a nose.
Snorlax. Bulbasaur, watch out behind you.
Damn it! Bulbasaur, return! My Pokemon are so f***ing stupid, they can't even defeat a fat, farting Pokemon that doesn't do shit. This is so retarded, I hate Pokemon so much! What are you doing? What are you doing? Get over here! Oh, oh my God! Pikachu! You did great! Oh my God!
Pikachu!
I finally got Snorlax! Yeah! Pikachu, I always knew I could count on you! I heard.
Subscribe, Merry